Video title: Finding Forgiveness, Her Journey to Healing. Video description: in this powerful and emotionally charged video, we explore the enduring effects of forgiveness and the journey one woman took to find true healing. Join us as we delve into her story, examining the transformative power of forgiveness and the profound impact it had on her life. This touching narrative demonstrates how a single act of contrition can mend broken relationships and offer hope for the future. Discover the remarkable tale of how she didn't forgive him until he finally did this, in a journey filled with love, vulnerability, and redemption. Keywords: forgiveness, healing, broken relationships, redemption, journey to forgiveness. Intro: soft, gentle music playing. Narrator: welcome to our video, Finding Forgiveness, Her Journey to Healing. Today, we present a deeply moving account of one woman's remarkable voyage towards forgiveness and the redemption that followed. Video footage of a peaceful landscape, slowly transitioning to show the protagonist. Narrator: meet Sarah, a strong and resilient individual who experienced the aching pain of a broken relationship. For years, bitterness and resentment consumed her heart until one unexpected event changed everything. Video footage showing Sarah reminiscing and looking contemplative. Voiceover: Sarah: I thought forgiveness was impossible, an unreachable destination. How could I ever let go of the pain inflicted on me? But I learned that forgiveness is not about forgetting, it's about choosing to heal. Video footage depicting the initial struggles and emotional tumult. Voiceover: Narrator: Sarah embarked on a personal journey, one that would test her strength and challenge her beliefs. As she navigated through the complex emotions, she confronted a critical choice that would potentially change her life forever. Video footage of Sarah seeking guidance, attending therapy sessions, and engaging in self-reflection. Voiceover: Sarah: I sought guidance and support from professionals, friends, and loved ones. Through therapy sessions and deep introspection, I discovered that forgiveness wasn't a weakness, but a courageous act of self-liberation. Video footage capturing Sarah's transformation moments of reflection and self-care. Voiceover: Narrator: Sarah's odyssey was not a linear path. Embracing forgiveness meant acknowledging her own pain and finding empathy even when it felt impossible. As she learned to surrender to the process, a profound realization began to take root. Video footage showing Sarah engaging in acts of kindness and compassion. Voiceover: Sarah: I realized that forgiveness isn't about condoning the actions of others. It's about freeing myself from the chains of resentment. By extending compassion, I found solace and an unexpected hope for renewal. Video footage showcasing Sarah's growing resilience and acceptance. Voiceover: Narrator: through her journey, Sarah's perspective shifted from anger to empathy, and from despair to healing. But there was still one crucial step remaining. Video footage teasing the upcoming resolution. Outro. Narrator: join us in our upcoming video as we uncover the transformative moment that allowed Sarah to forgive, paving the way for redemption and the restoration of a fractured relationship. Reassuring and uplifting background music fades in. Narrator: stay tuned for Finding Forgiveness, Her Journey to Healing, and discover the power of forgiveness, an inspiring tale that proves true healing is possible, no matter how deep the wounds. Video footage fading out with a captivating shot of Sarah smiling. Narrator: remember, forgiveness gives us the strength to heal and embrace love once more. Soft, gentle music fades out. Note: the character count provided is an estimated approximation.